Reverend Ntim Fordjour can say Kotoka International Airport honomono. Some flight to be about wow no according to him no a containing some cocaine money laundering with some be any ordinary brief ni buy na BNI say bra never church in same moi papa isi woma na no ana ne omukọ ni fie na no so ana minorities so to ha chese ne no ada de na nya asem kitwa e okuro Ghana mu ha aha let's ghpagetv and then first time up into video make sure so subscribe ama me no click on notification bell no for latest updates on follow Facebook as let's ghpagetv and na TikTok so as let's ghpagetv share video we ama for share any comment be answer wona weja e comment section ho e de amma me ebusia on the 4th of March 2025 ana yete say security agencies say what Ghana say o makwa basti into car chese ene container na esiso no cocaine pa eguma enya asem kito and according to reports I know mo say if we Cape Coast Accra highway ni so chese omuchie ma if western region na chese baby e kodie obi anim a chese wo hwe street value ni kwa esame up to $350 million that is a niska kitwa crab nentino se ya asemwe yakosi na yete hwa na chese Reverend Ntim Fordjour mechioma ono na ye MP for Asen South constituency aba be ye brief a wo kire se flight bi abakotoka international airport ye tu a onu ni susu ye mu no according to ni intel ene ne nyoma bi anani aboso ne kire se na contain some cocaine and some money laundering stuff. Entisadia or Chirese securities ne wo Ghana no. Omunye investigation into the matter. No omun bring it the truth out. What I say to obeka na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Ebe ye post here that was screen you see how what you say. So see how no what ho no mo ne enye kasa keke se obi a betima beka bibia keke no but so obi say there sa drug trafficking ne sa money laundering enye Ghana ana mo de be ye mo transit what I say it is say ampa dia say enye ampa o Reverend Ntim Fordjour emwa national security any omo share narcotic drug omo hwehwe sa nyoma ni mu nyina ni security force bia na agency bia omo nkambom no assist omo with investigations omo who the root of the matter aso no cre say flight be basa and answer is just speculations be and answer allegations be keke what you saying since then no BNI tra and answer now NIB tra omo frɛ Reverend Ntim Fordjour sam omba eti enu ada de ene ni fie ho de omukoye utumu se armed men nie Nebusia me see video ba kwa ebeto odwa na manfo ka se ase ba kusuro because I to say papa ne tete bi sa ne say ene onu ankasa gina ne dem honom na o record from say yes security for ne ewura ne fie honom a o ye recording na o chire data na me need data na o phone ni bi ne nsema no keka na Ghana for say ba kusuro Yes, ebusia. It after say video beginning say video na beto ho no ma na chese akoye gidi amanfo busa say na say say brabe assist with investigations is it that papa na anko and answer BNI for na feel say no yemfa force enko fie ho and then is it that papa no or armed robber na say medra bi and say na armed men over there 20 and akoni fie ho ye hu ne see any minority as I say omo from mighty minority ene Afenyo Markin nie Justin Kodua nie Annor Dompreh nie ene omo di mirika gidi efie ho sant
agents of the state. Our country is a country of democracy. Yes. And I'm reiterating a point. His Excellency President Mahama, I don't see him as a politician. I see him as a statesman. Because his term is his final term. So those who work under him should help him to leave a legacy. What we are experiencing shouldn't be part of his legacy. 4 years is far, but near. Ghana has been in this exercise for years, and we don't need what we've experienced this morning. The caucus expressed a view through its authorized member, Mr. Ntim Fordjour, a reverend minister and a politician. If government disagree with views expressed, government can also tell a side of the story. This is democracy. It's not about we are inviting you, you come with armed men. You know, about 20 of them. We don't need it. If you disagree, you disagree. In any event, the caucus is calling for a bipartisan inquiry into this matter. We should be able to judge all. But, well, they have de-escalated, they've left, they've gone back to wherever they came from. We want to assure the government that we will cooperate if they approach things in a decent manner. Absolutely. But we will not be intimidated.
Not at all. Never. We will not be intimidated. We will not be intimidated.
We are few, but a mighty few and a happy few. You know, there are serious matters for the state to consider. Joblessness, people need jobs, the Galamsey issues. So far, they have not demonstrated seriousness in dealing with the Galamsey. If some agent of the state would want to pay attention to trivialities,
this is democracy.
Then it is going to be the beginning of the end of this government. And it is not necessary. They should stop it. We are there to engage them. But let me make it very clear that Reverend cannot be made an example.
Honorable Afenyo Markin Chidema, won't tolerate any form of intimidation from anybody. Just say, o jina ho say, omutai Reverend Ntim Fordjour echi, and you no no be scapegoat.
He works with his God. Yes. And the strength of the mighty 88 behind him. So please, government officials, enough is enough.
Enough is enough.
Stop it. Let's engage. We are political actors. Let's assure the people that we are ready to uphold the promises of the Constitution and democracy. This must stop.
I will say, I'm a say, as an avenue saying, Kaeja, my minority leader, Kasari, then Ketuecha, and so Justin Kodua, and so Bekasai, and Annor Dompreh, and so Kasaya, Munginatrim say, it is unlawful and unnecessary. Say, NI be beko fear with armed men. As if se papa ni a criminal, say or more kwa kochino. So sadie way de nya dia omuso ebe so e wo Ghana ha kra.
Can you tell us, I mean, your leadership in Parliament has spoken, but as a party, what is your position on all this?
Well, as a party, we fully support the position of the minority group, and as espoused by our minority leader. We are a country governed by a rule of law, not the rule of men. And as a member of Parliament, at least our Constitution, Parliament Standing Orders, talks about the processes or the procedure by which a member of Parliament can be invited. The first question we want to ask the current administration is, was that process followed?
No way. No.
Was that process followed?
No.
Why? In fact, the chaos this morning was needless, unwarranted.
What's your position on that?
Well, the position is what I'm telling you. Very unwarranted. At least, if indeed they were showing good faith, they would have gone through the process, the due process, written to the speaker that the member of parliament is to be invited or wants to be invited to the state security for interview or for questioning or for discussion or to help in the investigation, but not this Rambo style.
Is it your briefing that letter hasn't been written to the speaker? If that doesn't happen, would mean that his immunity has been breached. What would the party do?
Well, at the end of the day, is what we are doing today. That the due process has to be followed. The due process has to be followed. Has he committed any crime?
No.
But this time, we're expecting even the government to commend him. We're expecting the government to commend him.
I feel like what can I say? So now I say when I'll be making allegation, right? And to say a fraud be assisted with investigations are quite. How they say now what it quite if you think you have enough proof, why don't you just go and show it to them? And now, okay, maybe I'll also say maybe my become and it's up to you people to do your investigations and find out whether the become no credit and I say and no credit. But all the same, right now the Reverend Ntim Fordjour, the minority say omonti ase emma NIB emfane nkonti enra dade na enya sem ketewa wo kromu akrache so omampene ama NIB anche papa no omo say enye ono no omo de ni ba be scapegoat and afi so they will not tolerate any form of intimidation. Asem we say the NIB the mujimudin from one person's house to another person's house enya sem ketewa akra me de mani edi ensem neki any update be for bam de ba be sumo me ka also be follow Facebook as let's talk ghtrends and TikTok also as let's talk ghtrends and share video I'm for abeshare any comments be awon so na waja comment section ho ede amame me ding ede na neka santoa makram